Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Expression Home XP-4200 series. I want to show you how to restore this printer to factory default setting. Use right arrow button, go to the settings, select OK to the settings, then scroll down all the way to restore default settings. Restore default settings, then you select OK. It will show you network settings. If you select network settings, then that means you want to reset only the network. All except network setting, all settings. So we want to reset all settings. Scroll down to all settings, select OK. Restore all settings, including network to default. No or yes. Use right arrow button to select yes, then select OK. Restore default settings. Please wait. The printer is connected to the network, and after that, it will show you that the printer is no longer connected to the network. You need to reconnect the printer. Any settings, it will delete the Wi-Fi information and everything. So you need to reconnect the printer. It will show you completed defaults. Then if you go back to the home page, use up arrow, go to Wi-Fi icon, select on it. It will show you that the Wi-Fi is in gray color. If you connect the printer to a Wi-Fi network, it will highlight blue, or if you connect it to Wi-Fi direct, it will highlight blue to Wi-Fi direct. So currently the printer is no longer connected to a network. So this is how to restore the printer to default setting. And if you switch off this printer, if you switch it back on, then you need to start afresh to reconnect the printer. So once you're done, then you switch off the printer, turning off the power. So the printer is switched off. If you want to start the printer, then you select this button to switch the printer on. And it will show you Epson. And this is the information you will see. Product uses the following: scan and save to file to the computer. So you need to select on this to proceed. So this is how to reset the printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.